What is up, everybody? Tis your boy Geek of Sneakers back with another video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I do sneaker and fashion related content, including lacing tutorials like this one, so be sure to subscribe and join the Geek Gang family. We're actually doing a giveaway at 5K where I'm giving away two $150 gift cards to two separate winners to any retail store of your choosing. Make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Like the video if you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. Today I'm super excited to be showing you guys 3 different ways to lace the Jordan 1s. This is an updated video since I originally did a tutorial on how to lace the Jordan 1s back in 2017. I don't feel like the ways I laced them then were bad, but I feel like it could have definitely been better. So I'm gonna be doing sort of the same lacings I did from that video, but a little bit modified. Also, I'm gonna try to do lacing tutorials more frequently as a lot of you guys find them helpful and really enjoy them. So maybe every other week I'm gonna try to do a lacing tutorial on a shoe until until I don't have any sneakers to do lacing tutorials on. And if you want to see more lacing tutorials I already have up, I do have a playlist specifically of lacing tutorials, so you guys can check that out. And like I said, I have more on the way. But yeah, the Jordan 1s, it's kind of crazy how back in 2013 when I originally got into sneakers, I've always liked the Jordan 1s, but they were more so in my top 10 favorite Jordan models. But in the last 2 to 3 years, I've really started to appreciate the Jordan 1s even more, to the point where now it's in my top 3 favorite Jordan models. So yeah, I definitely love the shoe. The first lacing we have is the tight way, which, like I've said in the past, I don't usually lace my shoes tight, but I feel like the tight lacing is one of the most classic and best ways to lace the Jordan 1s. Usually when you get a brand new pair of Jordan 1s, it's laced up like this, but of course if you don't have a brand new pair but you want to follow along, you want to start off like this, and make sure to take both ends of the string and pull it up. That way it's not too loose anymore. Then we're gonna go under this first hole right here, and then we're gonna come out over. Same thing with the left side. And we're basically gonna keep doing that until we get to this hole right here, and make sure to tighten the shoe throughout. Now when you get to this part and you're about to go through the 7th hole right here, you can go under or over in here, but for me I'm gonna go under. And for the on feet, I'm gonna have this shoe with the lace going under here, and with the other shoe I'm gonna have it with the lace going over, so you guys can see a difference. Same with the on feet of the other lacings I'm gonna show you guys too. Now the final step is to tie it. This lacing you want to do with your foot inside the shoe, because if you try to put them on how they are right now, it would definitely be impossible. So make sure to have your foot inside the shoe while you're doing this lace. And now to the first on fade. Now second, we have the loose way, or what I've called in the past, the loose hang way. First, what you want to do before you start the lacing is to take your shoe and widen it like this. Mine is already pretty wide since I've had this shoe for the last 3 to 4 years, so they've been broken into. If you have a brand new pair of 1's, you probably won't get it to as wide as this is, but try to get it as wide as you can. And just like the first lacing, we're going to start off like this, except we're not going to tighten it or anything. Like I said, this is basically the loose way, so we're going to keep it, you know, loose like this. And also like the first lacing, we're going to go under and over. Now as you guys see, we're basically lacing it the same way as the first lacing, except like I said again, we're making it loose, so you want to make sure that there's this much space. And we're also going to go up to this hole right here. This is my second favorite way to lace the Jordan 1s. It used to be my favorite, but now my new favorite I'm actually going to show you guys with the next lacing. But first, let's get to the second on feet for this one. Third and last, we have the medium way. Basically meaning that we're not tying it too tight or too loose, and it's kind of in the middle between the loose way and a tight way to lace them up. I usually lace my shoes loose like how I showed you guys with the second lacing, but recently this lacing I'm about to show you guys has been my favorite way of wearing and lacing the Jordan 1. Now you want to start off with the lace like this, and once again we're going under and then over, but we're not going to tighten it or make it loose. So let's roll the final on feet for the video. guys want to see the original lacing tutorial, the link will be in the description, or you could click the pop-up at the top right corner. But just a little warning, I do feel like it is a little bit cringe because I posted it about a year after I started my channel, when I was still trying to get comfortable with, you know, talking in front of the camera, or in the lacing tutorial video case talk behind the camera. And at the time I was being maybe a little too enthusiastic, trying to be that stereotypical hype and excited YouTuber in the certain videos I did. But now a little more than 4 years later, I'm definitely comfortable with talking in front of and right now behind the camera, and a lot more of my chill self. But again, if you want to see the lacing tutorial and you don't care about all the cringe that's upcoming, the link will be down below to check out. I really appreciate you guys watching, and if this tutorial was helpful, make sure to smash the thumbs up. Again, if you haven't, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And once again, follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. Make sure you keep rocking with your boy. It's been your boy Harry, aka Geek of Sneakers, aka Geek of Sneaks, aka Geek, aka GOS. Stay safe and have a great day. I'm out.